Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So today I'm just out here and I'm gonna harvest some snapdragons. I need to harvest my sunflowers and I just need to do some harvesting, and then I'm gonna get to making farmer market bouquets. But first I'm just gonna harvest as much as I can. I'll take pictures of my buckets. I've already been down a little bit of the row, but there's a lot of snapdragons. In Celosia, it's a little pretty row. The legend snapdragons are looking really good this time of year. So they're definitely going to be on the list. This may be one of my biggest hauls of snapdragons to date. Look at all these beauties. They're gorgeous. They've got long stems. So pretty. Gorgeous. I think they're my biggest. The bucket, I was like, am I gonna have to get another bucket? It's just so full of snapdragons. Here's the Cosmos test today. So here's the one. This one is dead, kind of. And then this is the one we've been watching that only had one petal open today. It's opening. It's looking good. I think it would go faster if I snipped off this dead one, which is what I normally do. So maybe I'll do that. And then that white bud that was just opening yesterday is now looking like that. And this little flower down here hasn't really had much movement. The petals are getting a little bit bigger. We've got another bud over here opening up. So, and this bud is actually starting to open up. So 3 days after taking them out of the cooler, they're starting to see some life and opening up. So if I put this in the vase 3 days ago when I took it out, it would just now be looking like this. This one would look like this, and this one would be like this. And that's out of the cooler. I think if I snipped off these, they might actually open up faster. So since it's already open and we can kind of see that, let's just pop this one off. And now we'll see if this one opens up quicker. Okay, I got all 3 of my bouquets made. I harvested this morning. I think I showed you all of that. And now I made 6 $20 bouquets for the farmer's market tomorrow. And it's getting kind of late in the day and I still have my $10 ones. I did notice that I do not have any more small jars, so I'm just gonna cut out the $5 ones this week. I only made 5 last week and I did sell them, but I'm just gonna make an extra $20 one this week and then I'll make the same amount of $10 ones, and it'll only be a $5 difference if I sell out. And if I don't sell out, that's okay. I do know some people that love the little $5 ones, and they get them each week. So I kind of feel bad that I won't have them for them, but I just don't have the jars, so I'm just not going to do it. But if you haven't seen my channel before, I just number these 1 through 6. And if you want to leave in the comments your favorite one, I will update everybody on which one sells first. And sometimes I tell you which one was my favorite, but I noticed I had forgotten to do that. Another side note, sorry about the video. When you're watching this, it'll be yesterday, but today, I don't know what happened. I uploaded the same video twice. So I went ahead and uploaded the video I had made. It's just a little wonky, but it is what it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna go down the line. These are probably in reverse unless I remember to flip it on the edit, but this will be number 1 over here. So I'm gonna just number them 1 through 6, and if you wanna drop your favorite in the comments, that's awesome. Okay, we have number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. I really think they're all pretty again in their own little unique way, but we will see which one sells first. But I'm gonna get to making my $10 bouquets, and then I have a bouquet delivery, and then I'll throw together my video. All done, and not as many buckets today, but I still do have some buckets that I went through. The cooler definitely has empty shelves. Those are some things I picked today. That was actually a long time ago, but. And then these shelves are full because I moved everything around. It's a pretty little cooler. But yeah, I have plenty of room to harvest on Monday, but usually on Monday I have, well, and I do this Monday too, I have a florist delivery, so I usually don't get to stock my shelves too much, but maybe Tuesday. All right, I'm gonna pack up my car and get headed. I have a bouquet to deliver, and then I'm gonna hit the road and call it a day. Okay, so remember I popped that little cosmos off today around noon, and now it's 6 o'clock, and check this out. Look how much it opened up and grew because I popped that other one off and it wasn't feeding it energy. This white one's got a lot of growth on it too. Oh, I have another one that's actually popping right here. I'll pop these off. So I could pop all the dead ones off, and that would make those bloom faster, which would be awesome. And another thing, the other day somebody told me, my husband has never bought me flowers because he said they were dead when I get them. And cosmos are living proof that flowers are not dead when they're cut and put into a vase. They continue to grow. So on that note, I hope everybody has a great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.